got the no drill battery mount kit from Luna installed on my bike with the new 52 volt battery I got. I haven't wired the battery in yet, but I did want to do just like a quick review of the kit itself because I feel like it's probably the best way to install a battery. You know, I guess on some bikes it could be ugly. On this one it works out because you really can't tell that it's using hose clamps. I got this from Luna Cycle. They're the ones that manufacture this. It's basically, you know, it basically consists of like a hose clamp, a screw, like some heat shrink that you put around the hose clamp, and then one of these like little metal things that sits on the frame, like the clamp clamps it to the frame, and then you bolt the battery onto that. It works extremely well. Like I was having a hard time figuring out exactly what it was that, exactly how it was that I was going to mount the battery. But this solution is like perfect. Like as with everything else I've purchased from Luna, there has been no issues. Everything feels like it's sturdy on there. I'm going to show you how it's installed. Basically, I bought 2 of them and used 3 out of the 4 little clamps it came with. But basically I just unbolted the main battery's like mounting tray and put the clamps on underneath it, and then bolted the mounting tray back down over it, like the stock mounting tray up under here, and that seems to work just fine. Yeah, I'm going to show you how it looks up underneath this. I also put magnets on this, the way that Monday's now, you know, shipping them, so it makes it 10 times easier to get this thing on and off. Thanks Rob again for the idea there. I'll link to his original video for that, but you'll see them once I pull this off. But overall, like this kit for sure gets like a 10 out of 10. Order it if you are like struggling to mount a battery to your frame, if you don't want to compromise the integrity of the frame. If you just want something that's like super secure, just purchase that. It's like the easiest way to do it. But anyway, I'm going to show you how this looks. So this is the original battery up under here. Sorry, this is the original battery up under here. These are like the magnets that I just bolted through the holes that they originally had screws on. Sorry, I tried to originally use some like adhesive and stuff that just didn't work. So I had to kind of, like there's some residue and stuff. Don't bolt these down too tight if you get some, just because it can crack the magnet. But I cracked this one, it seems to be just fine and it works well. On the bottom of this, you don't need any type of magnet or anything. This just sticks to it. Anything you see on there is just residue from where I tried to use adhesive, but no worries. I'm gonna get this powder coated anyway. So yeah, I mean, it works really well. I'm gonna show you kind of what it looks like up under the frame. If you see like right, you know, here, that's where the clamp is. That's where that clamp can be tightened down and everything. And let's see. Yeah, I'll try to get you some other angles, let you check it out, and yeah. Okay, cool. So here's the 2 batteries, 52 volt one down here. This is the 48 volt stock one. It's only this like part up to here. And up underneath you'll be able to see where the clamps, you know, where the clamps go. So this up here, there is like this little tray thing that the normal battery mounts to. I literally just put the clamps up under there, and it's not, you know, there's no movement on this battery, there's no movement on this battery. I mean, they're both like rock solid. Like I said, on some bikes, like a standard bike frame, if you were to use these clamps, they may look a little ugly, still get the job done perfectly. Like as far as a utilitarian object, you know, they serve their purpose 100%. But on this frame, on this bike, I would not drill holes. Like there is no reason to, when you can literally just use these things. And you could probably even move these like bolts up a little higher so they're completely hidden by the top tank. You definitely could, but yeah, I mean, this thing is fantastic. You know, I recommend it 100%. So yeah, I mean, that's the kit. I mean, it's super straightforward, but like I said, I can't recommend it enough. It's perfect as far as you know, for what it does. You know, it's perfect. You don't need anything other than just hold this on there super solidly. I have like zero fears about mounting this upside down now. And I was kind of stressing for like a week or so about how I'm going to mount this, you know, like drilling holes, installing rivets, all of that. But Luna, thanks again for another product that just like saved me a headache. Thanks for thinking things through. I appreciate it. They have reached out to me about sending me something. So hopefully we'll have something else from them to review soon. You know, but in the meantime, I hope you guys really liked this. I think that no matter what the bike frame is you have, it's a good option. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.